I am from Gaugrass Math Hub. Today I shall discuss one question related to exercise 5.2, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. The question is, differentiate the function 2 dot under root cot x square with respect to x. This is the question. Here I shall write solution. Solution implies that here you can see the given function is a composite function. The composite function consists of three different functions: the whole function, the intrinsic function, the core function. The intrinsic function is also known as inside function. So here I shall write, let y equal to 2 under root cot in bracket x square imply that y equal to 2, this term under root cot x square can be written as, open here curly bracket, cot x square curly bracket close raised के power 1/2. If you remove here under root, you can put in power 1/2. This can be written as it is. So here I shall write, this is a composite function. It consists of core function, is equal to x square, comma, the intrinsic function equal to the intrinsic function called x square, comma, the whole function equal to, open here curly bracket, cot in bracket x square raised के power 1/2. Core function equal to x square. The intrinsic function equal to cot x square, comma, the whole function equal to cot x square का whole raised के power 1/2. So here I shall write, first of all I shall take core function. So here I shall write, let x square equal to u. dwrt x. It will become implied that here dwrt x means differentiating the function x square equal to u with respect to x. So here I shall write d over dx x square equal to d over dx u. Now it will become d over dx x square comes out to be 2x. Here you will get d will be conjugated with u. It will become du over dx. You will get. Now I shall take the intrinsic function cot x square. So here I shall write let cot x square equal to v. Imply that cot in place of x square I shall write u. Cot u equal to v. dwrt u. You will get implied that d over du cot u equal to d over du v comes out to be d over du cot u. You will get here this is u minus cosec square u. Cosec square u equal to dv over du. Imply that I shall write minus cosec square in place of u I shall write x square equal to du v over du I shall write. Now I shall take whole function. Whole function I shall take. The whole function I shall take. So here I shall write let y equal to open here curly bracket cot x square whole raised to the power 1 over 2. Imply that y equal to open here curly bracket cot x square. So in place of cot x square I shall write here v. I shall write here v. So v raised to power 1 over 2 it will become y equal to v raised to power 1 over 2 it will become. Now here I shall write d wrt v means differentiating this function with respect to v. You will get here d over dv y equal to d over dv v raised to power 1 over 2. You will get here imply that d will be conjugated with y. It will become dy over dv equal to d over dv dot v raised to power 1 over 2 comes out to here 1 over 2 v raised to power 1 over 2 minus 1. Imply that dy over dv equal to 1 over 2 in place of v I shall write cot x square. So here write cot x square. It will become 1 over 2 minus 1 comes out to be here minus 1 over 2. 1 over 2 you have got. So again one line I shall write dy over dv equal to 1 over 2. Here it will become dot cot x square whole raised to power minus 1 over 2 comes out to be here 1 over cot x square whole raised to power 1 over 2 equal to, we'll get here 1 over 2 in bracket under root cot x square bracket close. You have got this thing, you have got 1 over 2 dot under root cot x square you have got. The dy over dv equal to 1 over 2 dot under root cot x square you have got. Now here I shall write, now by applying chain rule, by applying chain rule we get, here we have to find out dy over dx equal to note of interrogation what? To find out dy over dx equal to what? Note of interrogation. So we have to find out dy over dx. So here by applying chain rule we shall get dy over dx equal to, here this thing I shall take dy over dv. Here since dv is there in denominator, so here in numerator dv must come. So find out a term here, this term dv, this term I shall use. So here I shall write dv over du into, here in denominator du is there, so here in numerator du should be there. So here write du over dx. dv will be cancelled out, du will be cancelled out, finally we will get dy over dx. The original term you will get. So this is the chain rule, and now put the value here. So here I shall write dy over dx equal to, now find out the term related to dy over dv. So here you can, this term I shall use. So here I shall write 1 over 2 in bracket under root cot x square bracket close. dy over dx equal to 1 over 2 dot under root cot x square we have got. Now dv over du we have got minus, so here I shall write minus cosec square x square you have got dot, and du over dx I shall get from this place, this is u, du. So in place of du over dx, I shall write 2x. So this will become 2x. This thing you will get. Now arrange the things here. To here I can write dy over dx is equal to, here in numerator minus 2x. So here write minus 2x will be written in one bracket. This is minus 2x. This is minus 2x will be, here this minus will be put here, it will become minus 2x. And here I shall write dot cosec square x square, I shall write, whole over 2 under root cot x square. This will be the correct answer. Dy over dx is equal to minus 2x dot cosec x square का whole over 2 dot under root cot x square. This will be the correct answer you have got. Now let us check the answer from the key point here. So here I shall check the answer. I have got correct answer minus 2x dot cosec square x square whole over under root 2. So here 2x you have got. So how it is possible? Just think over. Now check whether this is correct or not. Here you can see this term you have got this one, and again I think it is not correct. Why it is not correct? So here I have left the whole term here 2 must be there. Here you can see 2 is there. So 2 I have left at this place, 2 is there. So here I can write very well in bracket 2 I shall write. Right here because y is equal to, here you can see y is equal to 2 dot. Y is equal to 2 dot, this term is there. So accordingly this thing will become, here 2 will be there. Like that you have to, here 2 is constant, so here write 2. And again this here dot right here in bracket 2. And also here it comes out to be, this will become here 2 will come. And also here this 2 will be cancelled out, here you will get 1. So this will be not available here. Now I think it is correct. So see, so where I have got, this thing will not be available. This thing will not be available. So correct answer you have got here. This 2 will be, here 2 will cancel out. So dy over dv you have got this one, and dv over du you have got minus cosec square x square you have got, and du over dx 2x you have got. So this will be the correct answer. Okay. Minus 2x dot cosec square x square whole over under root cot x square. This will be the correct answer you have got. What mistake I have committed here? Here you can see in the composite function 2 is multiplied. Here I have left the 2. So y is equal to, this thing will be there, variable function, composite function, and 2 is constant is multiplied because here 2 is multiplied. In the same ratio, 2 will be there, here 2 is multiply, and also here 2 will multiply. Here you will get 2 will be multiplied in between. Here 2 will be multiplied, 2 you will get this one. Now it is correct. So don't omit any content, write it properly. So here I have left 2. Here 2 is there, here 2 will be multiplied. Then y is equal to, this term will be complete. Y is equal to this term will be matched. So now it is correct. This is the proper explanation of question number 7 that has been taken from exercise 5.2, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. Okay guys, thanks.